Hello everyone, my name is Justin Hoodie, and thank you all so much for coming on my YouTube channel. Sorry, I have the migraine on my head. I think allergy at that point. So and the weather is just crazy out there. And but you're not talking about that. So today, what I actually holding on to is Plo Koon lightsaber. Now, people are wondering what why that does not look like Plo Koon. I mean, it does. Well, let me just tell you a story about it. And before I do, let me just took it apart a little bit, trying to make it okay. No, no, no. And alright. So whenever by doing my own normal thing, by everybody on eh, by May 4th, 2021. And sorry, I'm sure about trying to. There we go. Yeah, by May 4th, 2024, which is by like a yesterday year old. And my dad actually told me that there is a Star Wars convention at the mall. So I figured that I was gonna look into it, and then I bring my homemade lightsaber, and everyone in it just actually love it. So now I know I can't really show you the picture, but sometimes the when you're trying to turn down the light, it'll probably go whoop. Yeah. So did it one, did it two, did one, that one, did one, and as I make sure I did a type fire. Yeah, maybe it. Oh, oh, what a finger. And turn down. Alright, try again. TIE Fighter, no TIE Fighter, not TIE Fighter from the Phantom Menace. They're like me and a guy with the cosplay. I think he had Luke Skywalker lightsaber from Return of the Jedi. Luke Skywalker green lightsaber. In case you always see it. So let me just trying to do something. It did this one. And some other cosplay people look at my handmade lightsaber. Everyone actually love my hilt. They explode in front of their faces. Like the other one, which is the Jedi, which you always seen it. And then the blade is very hard. Well, I used to have my own lightsaber until sorry, I had to massage that jaw because I hurting a lot. And then he kind of impressed of it, and then we scratch each other with the blade, and then yeah. So enough question. Let's get to the 3D printed. So you know by how no. A sign actually say take home a 3D printed lightsaber. It says by here before you go. And then all you need to do is just build well one of these little helicopter thing. And then you kind of more eh, like this. And then after when you are done with it, you can actually choose any custom lightsaber do you actually like the most. Start off with the emitter and start off with the handle. The handle, you always see that. And finally, the pommel. You always see that. And I'm just gonna go like this. And then actually made, well, kind of more like a half white Plo Koon saber, but you actually lit one. And mixed with by Obi-Wan Kenobi from The Phantom Menace and Attack of the Clone. Kind of more like this. On the bottom piece, in the middle, and the top piece and the lower piece are kind of more like Plo Koon. So these two are like Plo Koons, and it wanted Obi-Wan Kenobi. Like people are like asking me like, why do you like have a mix with, you know? Well, I kind of like worry that if I get like a kind of more like the grip side, kind of more like Obi-Wan Kenobi and Luke from Return of the Jedi, the fin neck will probably break, and I don't want it to get another one. So, oh yeah, and then also the pommel. Well, this one actually say for display only. So that kind of new. So I did by put it together and then turn it into a cool lightsaber and kind of more like this before, all black, and then kind of more like you when you like try to go like that, it kind of more like based off um the toy lightsaber now and then. Um, speaking of which, I mean, kind of more like this. When you like, are you kind of go like this? On, hang on. Yeah, something like that. You have to flick it so hard. But for this one, oh, for this one, you don't have to because if you like, our children actually like get one. When they like hit each other, it'll break. And then, yeah. So, enough talking. I did spray paint with some silver spray paint. And then I painted just regular paint black. And then I put like I think like are we gonna say a D-ring? But no, I forgot what it's called. The Cobalt clip, I think. No, belt clip. Yeah, belt clip, maybe. And you see right here, it just by say you can't see it, so yeah. And then I customized it to look like Darth Maul lightsaber as well. And then I added some little parts. And then first, they actually tell you on what kind of hilt do you like. Kind of, I go like this one. Kind of look like from the picture. You screw it together, kind of like that. Yeah, and then see right here for display only. And then you just like twist the middle on top, kind of like that. I mean, you can actually use it for display and then just the empty hilt. And you are gonna pick the blue one, even though I go with the blue. I'll probably show you the blue. Kind of more uh, like this picture. Uh, And oh, right. Alright, trying to line it good. Twist on the left, and then it doesn't go anywhere. And there you go. You have your very own 3D printed Candy Mundi. Not Candy Mundi, like Kit Fito. Yeah, there you go. You have your very own Kit Fito lightsaber. Now, I know they kind of look like the same. They look the same to me, but and then you don't have to like flick it so hard. All you need to do is just do it lightly, like this. Yeah, but just like that. And then you just close it, kind of go like that. I mean, it's kind of very hard to try to move it around. Otherwise, palm of, well, the part of the lightsaber break and then the blade is kind of very hard. So, yeah. Yeah, kind of more like versus the one with the toy lightsaber, which you have to flick it so hard. And the 3D printed, which you just have to do it lightly. Yeah, and look at it. This one is kind of like taller compared to all the regular toy lightsaber. And 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 there you have it. You have your own Plo Koon lightsaber from I don't know from a sequel. Yeah. All right. Well, I think I have. Sorry, my neck got a little bit stiff. My parent right tell me I had to massage it. Not too hard, but light. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it and you liked the video. Please hit the thumb up and leave a comment down below on what kind of lightsaber 3D printer do you like. And if you're new in my channel, please go hit subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notification on my new future video. And if you want to follow me some more, please go feel free to go on Facebook and go on Instagram for my more picture. So yeah. So I hope you guys had a wonderful day and may the voice be with you. Oh, right. May the voice be with you. You know what I mean.